Hey guys, Crispy Vids, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got another unboxing. We've got a power bank here. We've got the Cygnett Chargeup Boost 2nd generation. This is only a 10,000 milliamp hour one. I used to have a 5,000 Cygnett and it's still going strong. I just wanted a little bit more capacity to charge my phone and my iPad. This Cygnett power bank has quite a few good features. The 10,000, you get 2.6 phone chargers. You get 3 devices at once, so 1 USB-C and 2 USB-As. And it comes in those colors there. Today we have the black one. You can get 20% off when you sign up onto Cygnett's website if you buy it, purchase it directly from them. It has, here you can see it's got 1 USB-C charging port that can do 3 amps, 15 watts fast charging, as well as 2 additional USB-A ports. So you can charge all 3 devices at once, and it is their latest generation of power banks. It has a digital display on it with a power button on the right hand side to be able to initiate the turning on of the device. It comes with a 2-year warranty. You can take this one on a plane, and it's compatible with iPhone, Android, tablets, you name it. So you can see the outputs there. 15 watts max, so keep that in mind. If you're charging 3 devices, you're not going to get 15 watts out of the USB-C and 12 out of each A. It's just going to be capped at 15, so it'll split it over all 3. All right, well, it gets very good reviews, so let's have a quick look at the box and we'll get it out, shall we? We'll just release that and get it out. Oh, there we go. So it should have a charging cable in there as well, which it does just in the side here. So there we go. We've just got that there. We've got USB-C to USB-A. So I'm assuming we plug that into our USB-A to charge it up. And it's got a little protective cover just there. It's got Cygnett 10,000 milliamp hour written down the side there, and Chargeup Boost 2 10K written on the back. So it also comes with just a few little instructions on how to charge it. So yes, we were right, A is the power button on the side here. Then you've got the LED indicator. You've got the USB-A ports there, C and D. And then you've got USB-C, which is an input and an output. So that's definitely where you charge it from to charge the power bank itself up. And just some cautionary stuff on the back. Let's see if it's got any power in it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps anyone that wanted to see the Cygnett Chargeup Boost 2 10K out of the box, and I'll look at it and see what you think. Thanks for watching.